Hi, welcome to my booth, PJ's Chic and Unique Furnishings and Findings. I want to share with you some of my thrift finds that I am reselling, and I think you gotta have something fun in your booth. And what is more fun than some monkeys? This little Hallmark Bananas for You monkey was so cute, I had to get him and put him in my booth. Next to him, you see this really cool gold Cadillac. How fun it would be to be riding in a gold Cadillac right now. This is a vintage Avon aftershave bottle. I think it's a fun, cool piece. I've got some glass teacups here, as you can see, and this cool beaded wallet or small handbag. Is a vintage brass vase made in India. This is a photo that I took with my phone. What's cool about having your own booth is that you can put things in that you make in your booth as well. This is a Star Wars mug. You gotta have some Star Wars in your booth. Moving on, we're gonna come over to this end now. Some cool men's t-shirts. And this framed poem right here is really pretty cool, I think. It's called Remembering the Forgotten Mechanic, and it has a picture of a plane with the poem. Planes are just fascinating vehicles. Some board games here. Set of 3 chicken canisters. Another Star Wars coffee mug. This is a jumbo periodic table of Star Wars coffee mug, and it goes for around $14. Here is a fun basketball tie. Some cool Coca-Cola glasses. I love Coca-Cola. Here is another fun tie, green and yellow, and some cool milk glass goblets. This grape patterned milk glass goblet sells upwards of $25.99 as seen here. That's a sneak peek of PJ's Chic and Unique booth, so until next time.